Alright guys, we're here today at 3034 North 39th Street. We're going to take a look at unit number 13 here, which you can see is in front of us. We'll take a quick look up and down the community. As you can hear, it's a nice, quiet, very nice private neighborhood. You got some beautiful trees, some really nice landscaping up at the front of the community. And another thing I want to point out is the location of this home is fantastic. So you're right next to some major freeways. You're far enough away to avoid all the noise and the traffic, but you're plenty close enough, hop right on the freeway and you're within 5 minutes of a ton of really cool shopping, some cool food places, all of those things. So directly off of the front door, you're gonna have access to your massive 2-car garage, which you can see you have some storage shelves over there as well. And then right here at the end of the hallway, you're also going to have a nice closet here as well. So that's kind of it for this little entryway here. That's the front door we just came through. And then you're going to step past the staircase kind of into a combo living area / dining room. So you can see the beautiful paint. I really like the flooring in here as well. You can see all the natural light that you get. It's still early morning, so you're, towards the afternoon, you're going to get even more light through these windows over here. You can see this really cool chandelier as well. And then over here, we're going to step into the kitchen. So you can see, of course, you get your nice, really nice sized sink. A little counter space over here. You get all these appliances, and they are going to stay with the unit. So you don't actually have to provide your own fridge, your own microwave, anything like that. That's actually going to all be with the unit. And then over here, you're going to have a hidden washer and dryer, which is also going to come with the unit. So it's very nice to have. It's right on the first level. And I love how you can just close these doors and it almost just disappears. You wouldn't even know that it is there. And then about the last thing down here on the first level is we're going to have a really nice size half bathroom. So you can see it's plenty big in here, right off the kitchen, so it's really convenient. Don't have to worry about going upstairs or anything like that. Let's go ahead and take a quick step out into the backyard of this home. So you can see you get a nice private little area back here. Plenty of space, put some grilling out there, anything like that. You have plenty of room to do all of that. So that's going to be about it for the first level. We'll go ahead and go up the stairs and I'll see you guys up at the top. Alright guys, so here we are up at the top of the stairs. This is kind of what you'll see when you do come up to the top. Of course, you're going to get another really nice sized window to let in a bunch of natural light. And then you have this really cool kind of like split floor plan up here. So if you were to come up the stairs and take an immediate left, you're actually going to step into a really nice sized bedroom. Which you can see there is a really cool layout in here as well. Because the window is actually going to be over here on this wall. So take a step over here so you can kind of see the full room from this way. Of course, you get your closet, you get your ceiling fan, and this beautiful flooring in here as well. And then something in here is you're actually going to have a bathroom directly off of a guest bedroom. So this room that we just took a look at is actually going to be a guest bedroom. See in here, you get your nice shower tub combo. And then in here, you have another bedroom. So you actually have a nice Jack and Jill bathroom setup. So you can see this is back to the hallway where the staircase that we just came up, and we just went through that door right over there. So you can see, of course, you get your closet and your ceiling fan up here, and then you have access into the bathroom over here as well. So you can easily flow through here, but it's also, say you have a couple kids or anything like friends and family over, it gives a nice private bathroom feel. But it has access to both of the bedrooms. So that's going to be over here. You can see bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. And then over on this side, you're going to have the primary bedroom, which you can see you have a massive room in here. And the ceilings are slightly at a vaulted angle. And they're just really, really tall. Up at the peak up there, it's probably 12 feet maybe. So I mean, it makes this room feel even bigger. Of course, they carry this beautiful paint and this really nice flooring all throughout, as well as a really nice view out of your window over here. And then we're set into the primary bathroom. So you have your private toilet room over here, another really nice shower tub combo, which is right off of your dual vanities. And then over here is your closet, which you can see is a very, very nice sized closet. It wraps all the way around the back over here. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. I mean, if you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, anything like that, you can do that all at rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.